Ramirez Medina is involved in a couple of court cases happening at the same time, making this case all the more complicated. He was part of a class action suit out of California in which his DACA status was actually restored last month. But his attorneys say the government sent him a new notice to revoke his newly reinstated deferred action status, putting him in legal limbo once again.
Daniel represents what can happen. I don't think there's any question that DACA is severely under attack.
Attorney Luis Cortez, a dreamer himself, is part of the legal team that's been representing Daniel Ramirez Medina for the past year, ever since Ramirez Medina lost his DACA status last February. ICE agents argued Ramirez Medina admitted to having gang affiliation, something his attorneys continue to adamantly deny and would still like fully examined by a court.
We're eager to have a trial. We're eager to question the Department of Homeland Security and ask them why they said and why they continue to say that Daniel is a gang member, and they're resisting our being able to question those individuals. All we're after is the truth.
Daniel Ramirez Medina is currently facing two separate cases, one in immigration court, the other in this U.S. District Court. His attorneys advised him not to speak to reporters today, but he stood by his brother, supporters, and lawyers who are both challenging a deportation order and also fighting to protect his DACA status, which remains in limbo.
He's trying to spend as much time with his family. Over a year now we've been at this, and Daniel has been agonizing over what's going to happen with his future, and he's going to have to leave a place that he calls home where he has a son.
While Daniel's case is unique, other Seattle Dreamers say it puts them on notice, especially since Congress still hasn't come up with a permanent solution to a very complicated immigration debate.
And we're hopeful that Congress will wake up and realize that legislative solution needs to come today.
And we don't have a timeline for when the DACA debate will resume in Congress. Back to today's hearing, the federal judge hearing this case did not make a ruling today, but instead asked for more information from both sides. That will be filed within the next couple of weeks before a decision is made.